Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne came out at 2 a.m. in the morning. Wasn't able to sleep well. Basically, he says that he could go to his bed whenever he wants, and he get up whenever he wants. So he's here addressing an issue, and he's saying that he will come out like a hurricane, basically, and he will continue until he is done. So basically, you know what that issue is. And so he's talking about that and more. So go catch the video to see what Dwayne has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies that are out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I just want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you love, joy, peace, prosperity, and happiness throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies today and my new subscribers, I just want to say have a wonderful day and hit that notification bell, guys.
Understand? I hope I'm speaking to someone right now. I am Dwayne Fletcher. I don't tolerate bullshit from any man or woman. If you come for me, I will come for you. And I'll come like a major, major hurricane. And I won't stop until I'm done. So when people think they are coming at me in a manner that's not too pleasing to myself or my mindset, it won't happen. Do you get? I don't play and I don't tolerate bullshit. So when some of you skanks feeling like you can come into my page and bully me, wrong stop. Go on over phone on a favorite personalities pages and bully me there. It won't happen over here. It will never happen over here ever. Ever. Not again and not anymore. I'm standing up for me and what I believe in. And if you guys can't accept that, fuck off. I'm not holding anyone hostage. Have I held? Did I chain any of you over here? No, I would never. It is not my place to do so. We all live in free countries. We all live in democratic societies. None of us lives in communist cities or countries, whatever. We don't. We all are free. Bear in mind, our ancestors, they had to fight tooth and nail for a lot of us to get freedom, right? So how dare any of you think you can ever, in your existence, take away my freedom of speech from me? That will never happen. I could be the smallest pea on here. You know what pea? Like the kidney bean? I could be as small as a kidney bean. I will always stand up for myself. Always. Understand? I will never come out here and fight with anyone unwarranted. Any fight, I fight because it was the right thing to do. You understand? And anything I do, I will always do that with my full chest. My full chest. Understand? The problem with some of you people, you don't have a mind for yourself. You think, hello, Donna. Yes, we're having a late night. A very, very late one. A very late one. Very late. The problem with some of you people, you don't have a mind and a brain to think for yourselves. You know why? Because your minds have been conditioned. Mine has not. Even if it was in the past, I've now seen the light. Right? I'm living for the Lord and what is right. Justice. No one is gonna mess with me. I'm gonna sit back and tolerate it. No one. You could be as big as the biggest thing you can think of in this world. You could be as big as that. I will stand up to my giants. I will stand up to all of my giants, to all of them, and show them this little boy does not take shit from any man, woman, or no man, no woman, no dog. I will never. Understand? My mother, she didn't raise a fool. My dad never raised an idiot either. Understand? You see, right now, look at my numbers. Do I care? No. Even if it was 10 people over here, I would still talk. That's who I am. I will always stand up for what I believe in. Always. Always. Right? Dwayne Fletcher knows who he is. I see a lot of you coming on my page coming, oh, Batman, this, fish, this, that, and third. And bear in mind, a lot of you out here are chasing Batman's private parts, sausages. Where is the logics there? Where is the logics? There's none. Where is the logics? How dare you people come in on someone's page and be dehumanizing them as a gay person, but yet still 3/4 of you are running down another man's gay sausage. And bear in mind, I know for a fact I'm cuter than those gays you guys content to run down. Do you see? My ad boy, my ad plus tax. Understand? The problem with a lot of you people, you can't control me. I know. You can't control me. None of you will ever control me. Never. If my own mother who gave birth to me, I'm now in my late 30s, can't control me. What makes any of you think you have the audacity? What makes any of you think you can? You can't. You can't. You will never. This boy is fully emancipated. Fully emancipated. I know a lot of you don't even know what that word means. You know why? Because you're uneducated. None of you can come from me. None of you. You see, in life, birds of a feather flock together. Do you understand? Birds of a feather flock together. I'm one of a kind. I'm one of a kind. Which means I'm similar to no one. The day I depart this earth, there will never be another me. Never. I'm the true representation of what it means to be a true and living humanitarian on social media. I give people my own money. My own money. I don't come in here and beg anyone to give to others. No. I give my own. That makes me a humanitarian. A true philanthropist. You understand? You know, I be on TikTok and then I see people doing fundraisers for people who's going through a lot of hardships. You know what I do? Then again, I want to tell you people, I'm Dwayne Fletcher. Get to know my name. Dwayne Fletcher is my name. Son of Maureen and Soji. Fletcher. Do you understand? Hi Denise, what's up? To my true, authentic followers, I want you guys to know, do not get my bad behavior misconstrued. Do not take it lightly. Whenever you guys see me get out of character, right, I do so because I've been provoked. And people, when you are provoked, you say things that might not be too pleasing to your ears, right? We all say things that may not be pleasing to your ears or mine sometimes. I won't apologize. I won't. I've always told people, accept me as I am or leave me as you go. Bear in mind, always remember, you know myself. We've never crossed paths in our lives. We don't know each other. So it is as simple as 1, 2, 3. If you don't like someone, unfollow them. block them. Move on with your life. That way, you can be at peace with yourself. And you won't have to continuously get out of character to defend or stand up for something or someone that you don't know. Block away. Block me. I've always told people, block me, unfollow me. Because when you provoke me, I can get very nasty. And I would say some really distasteful things, right? Perhaps I may hurt your feelings too. Even when they claim my words don't hit them hard, I'm very sure it hits them very hard. Especially when they hear about the things I say about them, it bothers them. They won't come out and publicly acknowledge it, but trust me, my words are powerful. I can give you guys an example of how powerful my words were. Very, very powerful boy I am. Always remember the story of David and Goliath. Always. Right? I am Dwayne Fletcher. I will be here for the foreseeable future. And nothing anybody says to me or do to me, it will ever mess with my mindset or my stance in life. Never. Do you understand? I will always put myself first before anyone else. I will always put my family first before anyone else. I don't care. I don't know you. Do I want to know some of you? Perhaps. But do I want to know some of the rest? No. You know why? Because so in life, when people show you who they really are, believe them. Believe those people. Imagine. Look how many of you guys are joining my live stream right now, and you won't even comment. My question is why? You know why? It's because a lot of you really have been conditioned to hate others for others. That is sad, right? Isn't that sad? It's very sad, don't you think? Don't you think that's very, very sad? If you don't, then clearly you really have been conditioned. Anyways, I just thought I'd come out here and just drop a few words to my people. To everyone who truly stands with me, I appreciate you. And whenever I come out here and I behave in a manner that's not too pleasing, just turn the other cheek. It's okay. He's just having one of those days. I didn't apologize. I never apologized. And I will never apologize either, Asia, ever. I did not apologize. I just want my followers to know I love my followers, or my people, the ones who appreciates me, the ones who see me. Those are the ones I am speaking to right now. You know, the ones who comment on my page every day, those are the ones I truly, truly value. Understand? I will always love me. Even when the world is against me, I will always love myself. No matter what the circumstances may be, no matter what issue presents itself, I will always love me. Self-praise is never a recommendation. However, I will always praise myself. Always, always, always praise myself. I love my followers. I love my people. And I'm telling you guys one more time, I would prefer if everyone's fan bases just unfollow me and leave me the little God has blessed me with. That's all I want. You know, I pray to God when I wake up tomorrow, all of the other people's people, They will unfollow me and go their way, so I can truly build my page how I see fit. I will always speak my mind, always. That's one thing will never change, never. You see, when I'm very calm, right, I speak very well, right? When I'm very calm, you see? I love this version of myself. I really do love this version of myself when I can just speak very, calm, cool and collected. However, sometimes you have to get very nasty on this space. Don't you guys see? You know, I was meant to do a YouTube live, right? And then I fell asleep. I had dinner, and that food, it knocked me for six. Yeah. Anyways, girls, I'm gonna go now. It is now 2:42 a.m. here in London. But I thought, let me come in here and just chop it up for like 10 minutes with you guys, and then I'll just leave. I'm sure I've done 10 minutes now. I'm very sure. Very sure. Have yourselves a great night, all of you. And thank you to everyone. You see, every one of my followers who actually supports me. I'm telling you, whether you comment or you don't, I want you to know I really value you and I respect you and I appreciate you. I really do. Right? Dwayne, thank you. Thank you. Dwayne, your dog shit friend posted. So who's that dude friend? Who's that person? Is it you? I hope not. Are you dragging me? Am I being dragged here subtly? Are you dragging me? Girl, I have no energy to drag right now. It's very late. You see, if you want to drag me, come back tomorrow or come back another time when I'm in full dragon mode. Right now, I'm not in dragon mode. I'm not. It's not dragon time right now. It's not. Keisha, and big up yourself. Keisha, and big up yourself. Always, girl. Big up to you, Keisha Ann. No, girl, no. Listen, girl, let me tell you. PSA, if anyone I've called dog shit are the unscrupulous planks who always comes in and drag me. Those are the ones I'm talking to. I'm not speaking to I'm not saying to you people, not my people, no. It's the unscrupulous pranks who comes here and try and drag me. So I drag them back and call them dog shits. Don't you get it, girl? What the hell? What? Are you okay? You're a good girl? It's not you. It's not any of my followers. I'm speaking to the unscrupulous planks. If you wanna see who I'm talking about, go and look at my post. I post the one about Trickster and another one about the PSA. Those are the ones I'm talking about. It's them are the dog shits, not you people. Not you. They come here every day and they try and drag me, right? So I have to drag them back. And I say things that's gonna provoke them too. That's just it. If you can dish it out, you can take it back, right? That's just what I know. If you can dish it out, you can take it back. And that's on period. Yes, girl, never you, never you. Listen, my followers, don't take, I'm not insulting my followers. I'm insulting the unscrupulous dog shit planks